The Palace of Versailles has been listed as a World Heritage Site for 40 years and is one of the greatest achievements in French 17th century art. This grand estate originated as a hunting lodge for King Louis XIII in 1624. It wasn't until 1661 that Louis XIV expanded it into the grand palace it is today. The first phase of the expansion took 17 years to complete. The second phase took 37 years. In 1789, the French Revolution forced Louis XVI to leave Versailles for Paris. The palace would never again be a royal residence, and a new role was assigned to it in the 19th century, when it became the Museum of the History of France in 1837. Today the palace contains 2,300 rooms spread over 63,154 square meters. The Park of Versailles extends over 800 hectares, 90 hectares of gardens, and comprises of prestigious elements, among the most famous, the Grand Trianon, the Petit Trianon, the Grand Canal, the orangery and the hamlet of the Queen. Today, the Palace of Versailles is one of the most visited monuments in France for its architecture, for its fantastic gardens, but also for its history. Versailles is the most extravagant example of French Baroque architecture you can find. It drips with gold and exudes glamour. Even after 300+ years, it serves as stunning design inspiration to creators all over the world.